When you throw a ball, it doesn't fly in a straight line. It carves a perfect arc through the air. That arc has a name, a parabola. You see it in the cables of the Golden Gate Bridge, the path of a diver, and even the shape of your car's headlights. It's a fundamental curve of nature, and its code is the quadratic equation, starting with the simplest version, y equals x squared. This basic parabola is a perfect symmetrical U-shape with a single lowest point where it changes direction. This is its turning point. Because any number squared is positive, the y value can never be negative, which locks in that classic U-shape. But let's look at the full equation. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The secret to its shape is the very first number, a. If a is positive, the parabola opens up like a smile and has a minimum point. If a is negative, it opens down like a frown and has a maximum point. This single detail determines if you're finding the lowest point of a suspension cable or the maximum profit in a business model. And to find that exact turning point, we use its perfect symmetry, locating the halfway line with the formula x equals negative b over 2a. But the real magic of a parabola is its reflector property. It has a single special point called a focus. Any energy, light, sound, radio waves, that hits the parabola's inner curve gets perfectly reflected to that one spot. This is the principle behind satellite dishes, which place a receiver at the focus to capture weak signals. It's also why a car headlight can turn a tiny bulb's glow into a powerful, straight beam. So, a parabola isn't just a curve on a page. It's a fundamental shape of physics and a powerful tool for engineering, hiding in plain sight. It's the blueprint for how we focus energy, from the path of a thrown ball to the technology that lets us see the stars.